This is me going to change the back plate on this near side front wheel. I've got the moving there, which is a coming a half now, but this one's full, so I need to take the caliper off, take the bolts off, they're kind of hanging on there, and I will cut that off with my grinder. So that's the disc and the caliper off, and this is the problem I had with this one was quite slack. You'll notice I had just put it on with washers here. You'll see the problem is it had rusted right through there, right through, and that's why the washers are on. So intent is what we need to do, I'm going to plan to cut it here with the angle grinder and just take that off, maybe 2 points there to get it off. There's the old bit there. remove it. Good. Technically fit that. So we'll just put a bit of rust remover on that, Hammerite stuff. Just work my way down to the top. So that's us got the rust remover on most of that. I'll just use a wee bit more up the one that I've got left. So I'll leave that for about maybe half an hour or so. We'll come back and see what the difference is, and then we'll look out some paint, see if we've got another brush, and just try and give it a wee coat of sealant. So that's a rust removal just a bit dry. Quite a decent job at doing that. Now give it a wee paint. That's the plate on position. Very simple. It's quite handy that bit's cut off, because actually you don't really need that bit, although that bit is protected probably by the caliper. I'll put a bit of copper grease on there just to hopefully protect it a wee bit longer for the next time. There's only 3 bolts holding on, which is a torque. So that's us got it on. It looks okay, and we'll continue rebuilding the caliper and putting the wheel back on. So that's it back on, caliper on, all looks good. Not sure if you can see in there very well. Certainly a fairly straightforward job, to be quite honest with you.